Today we are going to introduce Nilight Drive Belt. Let's take a look together now. When you open the box, you will see the warranty card. Please use the contact information on the warranty card to contact us for any product-related questions. Includes an aramid drive belt for Can-Am Outlander and Renegade. To ensure accurate installation, please confirm compatible vehicle information and OE number above. Durable Nilight Drive Belt provides you with a safe and comfortable driving or racing experience.